Okay, a question I get asked more than I expect actually is, should I do a new construction project as my first real estate investment? And my answer is no, because new construction I mean, it's very involved because you've got to deal with a lot of preparatory work before you even begin. And if you get something wrong in there, it can really delay things, throw budgets off, throw the scope off, I mean, it just throws all kinds of things off. And even little details wrong on the plans can cause all sorts of issues later. So in a nutshell, I would say no, do not do new construction for a first project. Stick to something simpler, easier. And if you're absolutely bent on doing something sizable, at least do it with a partner. Definitely have a coach if you don't have a partner. If you can have both, even better, so that the last thing you want to do is get into new construction and have to figure it out, because that is time consuming. It can be painful. It's very expensive. And I mean, you'll hear people say, oh, new construction is easy. It can be easy, but it can also be very difficult. And it's just a different animal altogether than a simple remodel. So if you're looking for your first deal, I would stick to something much simpler. And regardless of what size you do, get a coach or partner with someone with experience. It'll help go a long way. Hope that helps. Please like, share, subscribe, comment. Hope to see you in the future. Thanks.